Let's unbox the Logitech M186 wireless mouse and get you set up. Inside the box, you'll find the mouse itself, an instruction manual and some paperwork. Now, let's take a closer look at the mouse itself. Start by flipping the mouse over, opening the battery compartment, and removing the battery pull tab. Then, look for a small Logitech logo right next to your battery. That is your wireless receiver. Hold on to that and close the battery compartment. Now, just plug it into your device, and your mouse will be connected right away. And when you're not using it, the battery compartment doubles as a smart storage spot for your receiver, so you won't ever lose track of it even if you're on the move. And just like that, you are ready to go. For more information or additional assistance, visit our support page, support.logi.com.